Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm quite excited for today's video because I have not done anything like this in a minute, and this is one of my favorite hairstyles. So if you're tuning for the first time or a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I hope you guys do subscribe, like the video, do comment down below or share it to someone who you think may like it. And yeah, let's get into it and enjoy.
Inside my dreams, so baby come a little closer. Know that you are the only one. I wanna see your body move. Don't be afraid. And baby, keep the lights on. And baby, keep the lights on. So can't we keep the lights on? I wanna see you. This world can be an ugly place.
So we're going to start by hydrating my hair. I just sprayed water. You can use a leave-in conditioner or a hydrating spray. This is important because working on dry hair can lead to breakage and it's a bit harder to manipulate your hair, and we'll be doing this in shrinkage, so this is important. And here I was just massaging the product on so that my hair thoroughly absorbs it. I then applied oil. A little goes a long way. This was really just to avoid frizz, and gels can be a bit drying sometimes, especially if you apply a little too much. So when you're working with natural hair, you always want to work in sections, whether you're washing your hair or styling it. It just makes it so easy and a bit quicker. One of the reasons I had to do this is because we are working with shrinkage. So you want to make sure that when you're tying your hair down, there isn't any humps or bumps. So I started with the lower bun at the back. I was using a detangling brush. I usually love a Denman brush, it works better, but I gave mine away. This is the styling gel that we're using. I absolutely love it because it holds. It really holds and it's just magnificent. Whenever I have to tie my hair, I always make sure that I pull it out at the end exactly like this to make sure that there aren't any humps or bumps and it's just slick and smooth. I'm doing the same thing again, pulling my hair because we want to make sure that this hairstyle is as smooth as possible. I started applying my gel. A little always goes a long way, and this gel is quite thick, so I applied just enough. And you want to make sure that after applying it, you quickly slick your hair down and tie it at the back because it may start drying. You also want to make sure that you apply the gel all the way down to your ends because you need your ends to also just be slicked down. That's why sometimes you see that at the back of your head you may be getting fluffy hair, and that's because you didn't apply the gel all the way to your ends. I use this brush because we started with the Denman one, and this just helps to smooth out your hair. So throughout the whole process, I keep pulling my hair just before tying it down so that it is all smooth and slick.
You tell him he's all you see. Tell him you got his keys, cause you thought he needed them, but he's not coming back again. So he's gone, leaving then. You won't see him again. It was convenient, but you won't be staying friends. And you know that, sweetie.
So you're going to comb out your hairpiece just to fluff it out and give it some volume. You can even do this a little bit more than I did. And you're going to need some bobby pins to help you pin it down. So we'll just start rolling our hairpiece around the bun nice and gently, and make sure that it's not creating any tangles. Even if it does, you can just, untangle it when you've pinned it down.
But you know he won't take you far. And you know that, sweetie, you know that. Think you knew it before, but you just ignored that. So now you won't take backs, but there's no refunds here. So you sort of.
So I used about 3 extensions, and here I decided to put the pin before I twirl the hairpiece around my bun. I think it was just going to be easy. And after hairpiece number 2, I was like, okay, maybe I can go with one more, because I really wanted the volume. I didn't want it to feel empty. So there goes the last one. And I mixed between 22 inches and 24 inches. The 20 inch was just a bit small, and you were just going to see the variation. With our last extension, just towards the end, we're going to leave a bit of this hair out. This is going to help us create a clean look on the bun, and then you just twirl it around until it's finished, and then the last bit of it you can also pin down. This is the final look, which I was absolutely happy with. One thing I could have done differently is just make sure that I comb out this hairpiece a bit more, just to fluff it out, loosen the curls, that way they blend in better with my hair. But I was happy. This, 10 out of 10, love it. I'm in love, I'm obsessed. I was really obsessed with this hairstyle, you guys. I just loved how it came out, and you can of course keep it for longer if you'd like. Just ensure to use your satin dock, bonnet and pillowcase. I just don't like having gel on my hair for more than 2 days, but you can, personal preference. I was so obsessed with this hairstyle. But anyways, if you like this video and of course you love my channel, do subscribe, hit the notifications button, save this video and share it to someone who you think may like it. And of course, comment down below and ask me questions, and until next time.